Hi folks, Rick here again. Another word of the day. Okay, we're getting good at this. Commitment. Okay, so I have a commitment to myself, meaning that first off, no one else is going to be committed as me to my life. I hope. Okay, I mean your friends and your family and everybody, they want to see you do well, but your commitment level it's up to you. You decide what that is on a daily basis. I mean, we need to know what our year-end goal is, and then we need to know what our commitment is on a daily basis in order to get there. So if we focus on this really in 24-hour increments, from when I get up to when I go to bed at night, and I maximize the in-between there, that's really what it's all about. So people say to me all the time, how do I get motivated? And I would say, you gotta have great goals. Motivation really just means your motive to take action. What is your motive to take action? You have to have an end game. You gotta know where you wanna end up. It's like a GPS. You don't type into your GPS, west. I hope not. You type in the exact location, otherwise it's gonna, if you're talking to Siri, she's probably gonna think you're screwing with her. So you have to be very, very precise in what you're doing, okay? So to create momentum is the next word. Momentum is very critical. It's either the best thing or the worst thing, like I said last time, it's either the best thing or the worst thing depending on what side you're on. It's up to you though where you are. So you have 24 hours a day, you can create that on a daily basis, okay? And get anywhere you want. Like, I love this little story about the bumblebee. Mathematically, those big bumblebees that fly around, if you take an engineer and you do the weight of the bumblebee versus the wingspan it has, mathematically, it should not be able to fly. But it does. Fortunately, no one's told the bumblebee that. But they do. They fly around all the time. Mathematically, it shouldn't work, but it does. It's kind of like Tom Brady. Worst stats, I love using this example because not everybody loves it, but worst stats at the combine ever, best quarterback to play the position. Why? Because he's consistent, practice, drill, rehearse, feeding his mind with the right stuff. Okay? And then also, even the greats fail forward. You have to fail. You have to receive rejection on the way to failure. Okay? Otherwise, you're not going to respect it as much anyway. It's part of the process. My best numbers in real estate, okay, I tell people this all the time, was 48. Every time I talk to 48 humans, I have a closing, which means I need 47 no's or maybes or down. You know what I'm saying? So you have to hear failure and rejection on the way, okay, to being successful. But it requires a big commitment. The reason everybody isn't successful, because if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. It's not easy, it's work. But you have 24 hours a day just like everybody else does. So maximize it. See you at my success series soon. Thanks for your time.